As usual, this is a decoy for installing Parallels 26.0.1 in this particular case. Yeah, it just came out. It's the latest version, and I think it should solve your problem. So check my Telegram channel for the file I used. It's right there 24/7 and follow along. At this point, we are launching the main DMG and uncheck that optional check mark. Put in your Touch ID, give it a moment, grants it access to all the folders it wants you to do that for. Okay, and allow it to do its thing. Other options because we have our DMG already downloaded. Sorry, ISO, not DMG. Productivity. Leave all of these in their default states, and the installation is beginning now. Yeah, I fast forwarded to the other parts. Okay, we are still progressing. Yeah, fast forwarded again. Still installing. And now the installation is done. So we are in the setup page now. Yeah, you can just do this the usual way you set up your Windows. Uh, yeah, ignore this. We'll resolve that in a moment. All right, we are done with setup. Fast forward again. Almost there. And here we are. Yeah, allow all that if you want to. All right, this is the part where we close Parallels completely from the menu bar. Quit Parallels Desktop. Make sure it disappears from both the dock and the menu bar and open that other folder. The first thing you want to do is run the disable library validation file. Right click and open with terminal. Yeah, we can handle that. Go into settings, privacy and security, and scroll down, open anyway, put in your touch ID. It's that simple. So it has opened, type in your password, even if it's invincible. Yeah, and that's it. Close it. Now, since our SIP is off, we are going to use, sorry, it's on. We're going to use the SIP on. So drag that to applications and open your apps folder and search for the activator file with SIP on, of course. The same thing again, privacy and security in settings, and scroll down to the bottom, open anyway, put in your touch ID and install by the left. Put in your password and allow it to do its thing. That should take a moment. I already cut out all the boring parts and you can see it's done. Oh, still needs a few more seconds. All right, you can exit it now. So let's try it out and see if it worked. Parallels, not that one. Yeah, the other one by the right. Okay, no more by pop-up. Also, nothing about non-genuine versions. You guys keep talking about non-genuine versions. Why is it that when I record this stuff, I never get those pop-ups? What's the difference between what I do and what you do? I bet you guys do not follow it word for word, and that's why. Make sure you do everything the way I prescribed, and I think you should be fine. All right? All right then. So again, latest version. I don't see why any of you should have a problem with this. But if you do, you can contact in Telegram, even if it take me a little while to respond because I am a very busy person. All right, I'll see you guys around. iHaadi out.